What if you could beat the market with a simple formula? Investing is drowning in noise, analysts, P/E ratios, discounted cash flow models, hot tips from TV. What if almost none of it actually matters? In 2005, Joel Greenblatt introduced the magic formula, two numbers that together find great companies at bargain prices. First, earnings yield. It answers, how much profit do I get for each dollar I pay for a company? It uses operating earnings, before interest and taxes, divided by the true cost to buy the whole business. Higher yield means you're getting more for your money. Think of it like rental yield on a house. Second, return on capital. It measures how efficiently a company turns its investment into profit. Imagine two restaurants with the same revenue, the one that needed less money to open is the better business. High return on capital means you found a company with a real advantage. Earnings yield alone finds bargains, but many cheap stocks are cheap for a reason. Return on capital alone finds great businesses, but the best companies are usually expensive. When you combine both rankings, you find quality bargains, good companies at prices that actually make sense. Rank every stock by earnings yield. Rank every stock by return on capital. Combine the rankings, by the top 20 to 30, hold for 1 year, then repeat. Exclude financial and utility companies, their numbers don't fit. That's the whole system. From 1988 to 2004, the magic formula returned 30.8% annually. The S&P 500 returned 12.3%. A $10,000 investment using the formula grew to $480,000, versus just $70,000 with the index. It beat the market in 17 out of 17 years. The formula works because it exploits our worst instincts, selling in a panic when prices drop, chasing whatever's popular, believing that complex strategies must be better. It removes emotion from the equation and forces you to do what's rational, even when it feels wrong. But here's the catch, the formula will underperform the market for 2 to 3 years at a time. It looks broken. It feels wrong. Most investors abandon it right before it's about to work again. The magic isn't the formula. The real magic is having the discipline to follow a rational system through the hard years, when every instinct tells you to quit. Remember 3 things. Buy good companies cheap. Trust the rankings. Stay the course. The formula is simple, following it is the hard part. That's where the magic is. And just to be clear, this is education, not financial advice.